back with another video, and I'm going to show you guys how to install Wrestling Incorporated right onto your Kodi. In my opinion, it's just like Wrestling on Demand, but it's a little bit better. It has its perks, but I'm going to show you guys how to install that right now. Alright, well the first thing you do is press your little settings wheel. Now you're going to go down to System Settings. Then you want to go and scroll down until you see Add-ons. Now, you want to make sure your unknown sources are turned on or this will not work. Then you want to go back. Now, go down to File Manager. Then click Add Source. Now click where it says None. Now you're going to type in the following. Alright, once you have this typed in, press OK. Alright, now where it says enter a name for this media source, click on that, and rename it Illuminati. Alright. Once you have this typed in, press OK. Now, press OK. Now you're going to go back. Go back again. Now you're going to scroll down and click on Add-ons. Now click on the little downloader box in the top left-hand corner. Now click on Install from Zip File. Then you want to go down until you see Illuminati. Click on that. Now click on Illuminati Repo 1.1.7.zip and let it install. Alright, it's been installed. Now click on Install from Repository. Now you want to go down until you see Illuminati. Click on that. Then go to Video Add-ons. Then click on Wrestling Inc. Now press Install. Alright, it's been installed. Now you're going to go back to your add-ons. And scroll down. Click on Wrestling Inc. Let it load up. Alright, Wrestling Incorporated has been installed. If this video helped you in any way, please drop a like and subscribe. And if you like videos like this, drop a comment in the comment section below on what I should do next. Thank you guys for watching my video, and have a great day.